Ship and Shore Environmental is your first response team to any emergency services and/or required maintenance for all your abatement systems and combustion equipment. Our global technicians, representatives, and partners are available to support critical operations for all essential businesses, including the food and beverage, packaging, plastics, pharmaceutical, sanitary manufacturing, and other industries to ensure zero downtime and optimum production. The Ship and Shore Aftermarket service team is available to assist in person, on the phone, or online. We highly encourage your team to take advantage of our remote access capabilities and service lines during this critical time. Contact service@shipandshore.com or call our 24/7 emergency Oxidizer lines at 562-477-7557 and 562-400-4439. We're only a phone call away.